Let's look at the second option. Now we will be making use of both contactor and the flow switch to do our connection. That's the safest connection you can do, and that's what you should be doing every time you want to do your flow switch connection. Now let's look at it this way. We said that this is a contactor. So if we have a contactor here, remember, every contactor has both a power terminal and control terminal. So if this happens to be the power terminal of contactor, which is labeled LO1, LO2, LO3, which is the input and output of T1, T2, T3. If these terminals are open in nature, because the power terminals of this contactor we are going to use are normally open. So if we have the pumping machine here this way, and this pumping machine having two terminals, if the capacitor have been integrated inside already, which is maybe the live and the neutral. Then, if this is the supply, which is the live and neutral here, the live and neutral. Then, if we have the coil of this contactor to be here, which is labeled A1 and A2. If this is maybe A1 here and A2, or A1, A2 here. Then, if we have this flow switch here, and the flow switch has these three wires inside, which are 1, 2, 3, which are the high, the common, the high, and the low wire. So if this is the common here, and this is the low wire, and if this is the high wire here, or if I might say, if this is the